What is a payoff authorization form? As a seller, after you've gotten under contract with a buyer, there's a flurry of activity that is mainly focused around the buyer. However, one of the items that will be requested from you as the seller is to fill out a payoff authorization form. So what the heck is it? A payoff authorization form is a formal way for you to give the buyer's title company permission to communicate and coordinate with your mortgage company. This coordination is required in order to properly close out and pay off your mortgage when the house sells. Just be prepared to provide as much information as possible, including your loan number and social security number, as well as if you have more than one mortgage. And if you don't have a mortgage, you don't have to fill out the form at all. Plus, congratulations on being a baller. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.